Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 6 of my favorite lifesavers at the moment. They are basically the game changers. They make my life so much better, so much easier. And the bonus is they are very affordable. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first one I want to recommend is this one. This is a food bag sealing clip. It's actually very common in grocery stores. I bought this one from, let me see. Oh, it's actually from IKEA. When I bought it, there were a few dozens in the bag, and it only cost me like a few dollars maybe. Very affordable. But they are very, very useful because when you have some leftover food or you have some snacks open and just cannot finish in one sitting, you can use it, clip it, and just leave it there until you fill it again. It's very useful because it's gonna prevent the food from going bad. And this is why I recommend that if you don't have it in your kitchen already, go to your local grocery store and get it for you. The second product I want to recommend is this beautiful golden glass sets. Like for example, this one, let me open it. I have some of my lipsticks inside, and this one has some brush, some sponge in it. Oh, this purse comes with this set. That's so beautiful, right? And for this one, this is like a combination, a mix of everything else. Like here, I have some of my jewelries, and here some highlighter, powder, contour stuff, and here just some like basic skincare products and some like OPI products here. I love this set so much because it helps to keep my vanity clean and organized, and they're just so cute, right? The only thing is you need to do a basic calculation before you're making this purchase because clearly I failed it. I still have many boxes unpacked, and I think maybe I need 2 or more sets like this, or I need to buy like a much bigger version than this glass sets. The next product I would recommend is this one. This is a sandwich maker or a sandwich presser if you want. This is very, very popular in China right now because it is super convenient. Like for example, in the morning, you can just like throw a piece of bread in it, have some cheese, have some ham on top, then throw another piece of bread on top, just like press it. And then just after a few seconds, you have a very crispy, very delicious sandwich ready on the go. This is very helpful when you have like a very busy morning or you're in a hurry and you need to go, but you feel very hungry, you need something to eat on the go. This is a lifesaver for you. The next recommended product is also from IKEA, and it is chair. Look at it. It's very simple, but trust me, super comfortable. And it comes in red and white as well. Oh my god, this feels so comfortable. You know, believe it or not, I bought this chair 3 times. The first time when I bought it, I was in Boston. I was studying in Boston at that time. And the second time I bought it, it was for my grandma, and this is my 3rd chair. It's for my current apartment. You know, I really love just relaxing on this chair after a long day, have some snack, have some drink, watch some silly TV dramas, and just call it a day. And this is the next product I want to recommend is a slow cooker. And this one is from Hamilton Beach, but there are many other brands available in the market. This one has actually been in the market for a long time already, but I haven't used it until recently, and oh my god, this is so good. I mean, I don't know why, but like recently I really feel like some homemade chicken soup, but okay, I must confess I'm not a very good cook at all, and I have no idea how to deal with meat, you know. So what I do is I simply went to the grocery store, get a whole chicken, I just throw it into this slow cooker, and together with some spices, some water, and that's it. And just turn it on and leave it overnight, and in the morning I have like the whole chicken soup ready to be served. And it doesn't necessarily like cost me anything. I just throw everything inside and then just leave it overnight, and that's it. It's so good. So if you are like me, you're not a very good cook as well, and you just feel like some homemade really good meat, definitely you need this one. And this one is also very good for cooking some, you know, plain porridge or some other kind of soup You can really just play with it. There are many food choices. The last product I want to recommend is also the most important product I want to recommend today, and it is this vacuum plus mopping robot. I know this one has been on the market for a long time already, but oh my god, I have to share this one with you because if anything that made my life so much easier other than a microwave and an oven, it's definitely this buddy. Every morning when I leave the home, I just use my cell phone to waking up this buddy, and it will automatically vacuum the floor while mopping it. And since the floor in my apartment is totally made of wood, every day when I get home, I have a clean, fresh apartment waiting for me. It just feels so good after a very long and exhausting day. So if you're like me who doesn't really have a lot of time to do the housework or just lazy, this one is definitely for you. Alright guys, those are the 6 most recommended products I want to share with you guys today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next one. Bye!